And I wanted to share with you guys this cute little donut that was specially available at Mr. Donuts for Valentine's Day. And it's a special collection of their little tiny donut holes, but it's meant to be kind of like similar to a box of chocolates. And you can see this cute little box it came in. It has a little place for you to write to and from, and you just kind of tear it across the middle to reveal the cute little chocolate donuts inside. And you can see they were kind of shooting for, like I said, creating the image of a cute box of chocolates, but really little box of donuts. So there's 3 different kinds of flavors here, and the base chocolate donut is the same for all 3 of them. But you can see here there's this one that has like a little strawberry drizzle across the top, and like I said, there's 3, so there's 2 of each of the flavors. So you have this one with a little strawberry drizzle right across the top. And then we also have this one over here in the middle, which is a chocolate drizzle with little tiny chopped nuts on top. So it really resembles like a truffle kind of chocolate in some ways, with these cute little decorations on the top there. And then the other one here is another chocolate drizzle with marshmallows, cute little tiny miniature marshmallows, which I thought was super adorable. And then, you know, I was able to, I ate them, of course, but I have to say I was a little disappointed in the flavor. Just a basic chocolate cake donut. I was kind of hoping for some kind of nice inside to it, but there really wasn't any. So, you know, I wouldn't say you should rush out right away to enjoy one, because it was, I don't know, it was, they look a lot cuter than they actually taste. You can see here it's just a basic chocolate donut with nothing in the inside. That's just the donut. The outer side's a little darker, but so yeah, we'll see what happens. I was a little disappointed by this one, but really cute to look at. So